hubs, brakes, heat exchangers, intercooler, radiator, all kinds of good stuff there. Coilovers, tubes, brackets, vent kit, headlights, taillights. Not even sure what's in that one. Front end parts. Just more hardware. Is the engine ready to go? Some more new parts. Should have brought up my shifter just to show that off. Got a real nice shifter going in this. Some donor prepped parts. Got the floor, firewall, foot piece. A little overwhelming, so many boxes all at once. It's fucking awesome. Pretty much just have everything at once. Went with the double door bars and the bars on the roof. Easy entry. Rear coilovers are on back order. Wheels and tires come in Wednesday. So I got a couple days to wait on those, and the seats were ordered, waiting on them. Harnesses, everything. Seat brackets are downstairs. All kinds of fun.